Let's learn how to share the screen on a WhatsApp call. If you want someone to see your screen while you are on a call but don't know how to share it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is to check if your WhatsApp is updated, as this is a new feature. Once it's updated, we can begin. The first step is to open the WhatsApp application. When you have opened WhatsApp, you need to go to a call with the person you want to share your screen with. Once you are in that call, make sure it is a video call so that you can share the screen. After you have started the video call, you need to click on the three dots located in the bottom left corner of the screen. When you click on those three dots, a menu with two options will open. Out of those two options, you need to click on the first option, which is the Share Screen option. When you click on that option, a button will appear that says Start Broadcast, which you need to click on. Once you click on it, wait 3 seconds, and the screen sharing will start. Now, whatever you do on your phone, the person you are talking to can see what you are doing. That's it. That was the tutorial on how to share the screen on WhatsApp. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.